Okay, here's the 24-hour update. At about the 22-hour mark, the wife and kids decided it was too hot and they turned the pump off, or the heater off. We're sitting at 82 degrees right now. So pretty happy with that, and I think we're going to leave it right there. So in less than 24 hours, we brought it up almost 6 degrees. So it's a 30,000 gallon pool, so came up about 6 degrees in 22 hours, which is pretty good. We started on our gas meter at 6707, so we're at 6719, so we used 12 times 100, so that's 1.2 decatherm, or no, MCF. Yeah, MCF, so it's like 14.87 per MCF, so probably somewhere in there about 18 bucks to do that. So pretty happy with the results, and I guess we'll just go from there. Thanks for checking us out, and we'll see you guys later.